In this lecture, we will see the exercise 4.3 of chapter quadratic equation. चलिए शुरू करते हैं आज का पहला प्रश्न. Find the roots of the following quadratic equation if they exist by the method of completing square. हमको यहाँ पर क्या बोला गया है कि पहले हमको चेक करना है कि जो इक्वेशन दिया गया है इसका रियल रूट है कि नहीं. अगर है तो हम निकालेंगे बाय कंप्लीटिंग स्क्वायर मेथड. तो फर्स्ट इक्वेशन क्या है? 2x² माइनस 7x प्लस 3. 2x² माइनस 7x प्लस 3 is equal to 0. To check whether the equation has a real root or not, we have to find the value of a discriminant. For that, let's say a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 7, c is equal to 3. Finding the value of a discriminant, b square minus 4ac is equal to minus 7 square minus 4 into a into c, that is 49 minus 48 is equal to 1, which is greater than 0. So real root exists. By completing method square, we have to find its solution. अब हम करेंगे कि completing square करके इसका solution कैसे निकाला जाएगा. तो इक्वेशन हमारे पास क्या है? 2x² माइनस 7x प्लस 3 is equal to 0. If you see the coefficient of x square, so it is not a perfect square. If you just multiply 2 throughout the equation, then here you will get a perfect square number. और हमारे पास पहले से 3 मेथड है. हम पहले बता चुके हैं कि कंप्लीटिंग स्क्वायर करने के लिए 3 डिफरेंट मेथड्स है. अब कोई भी मेथड को यहाँ पर अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. सो लेट जस्ट मल्टीप्लाई 2 throughout the equation. So 2 whole into 2x² minus 7x plus 3 is equal to 2 into 0, that is 0. Implies that 4x² minus 14x plus 6 is equal to 0. Now making it complete square, 4x² will be 2x whole square minus 2 into 2x minus 2a. Here b will be 7 by 2. If you just see 2 cancel out, then minus 14x. So next term will be b square. As you have added the extra term, to balance it, we have to subtract this one. Plus 6 is equal to 0. Implies that here it is 2x² minus 7 by 2 whole square. क्योंकि ये जो टर्म है 2x whole square minus 20, ये जो टर्म है ये आपको देगा a² minus 2ab plus b square, which gives you a minus b whole square is equal to, take these two term to right hand side, जो हो जाएगा 49 by 4 minus 6. तो ये कितना हो जाएगा? 49 minus 24 by 4, that is 25 by 4. Implies that 2x minus 7 by 2 will be plus or minus 25 by 4 square root, that is plus or minus 5 by 2. आगे क्या होगा? 2x is equal to, implies that 2x is equal to 7 by 2 plus or minus 5 by 2. Implies that 2x is equal to 7 by 2 plus 5 by 2, or 2x is equal to 7 by 2 minus 5 by 2. Here 2x is equal to 12 by 2, or 2x is equal to 2 by 2. Implies that 2x is equal to 6 or 2x is equal to 1, implies that x is equal to 6 by 2 is equal to 3 or x is equal to 1 by 2. So 3 and 1 by 2 are the two solutions. Next question है 2x square plus x minus 4. 2x square plus x minus 4 is equal to 0. Here a is 2, b is equal to 1, c is minus 4. वैल्यू ऑफ डिस्क्रिमिनेंट जो d है इसका क्या है, बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac, 1 स्क्वायर माइनस 4 इंटू a इंटू minus 4, that is 1 plus 32, that is 33, which is greater than 0, so real root exists. To find the real roots by completing square method, अभी हमको क्या करना है, completing square करेंगे. चलिए जनरल मेथड में करते हैं. Dividing the coefficient of x square, that is 2, throughout the equation. सारे इक्वेशन को 2 द्वारा भाग कर देंगे, तो ये हो जाएगा आपका एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 1 बाई 2x माइनस 2 इज इक्वल टू 0. अभी आपका बन जाएगा एक्स होल स्क्वायर प्लस 2 इंटू एक्स इंटू 1 बाई 4. यहाँ पर यहाँ 1 बाई 4 क्यों, क्योंकि ये हमको चाहिए 1 बाई 2x और हमारे पास है 2x, तो डिवाइड कर देने से मिल जाएगा आपको 1 बाई 4. अब नेक्स्ट टर्म होगा बी स्क्वायर, दैट इज 1 बाई स्क्वायर. इसको हम बैलेंस करने के लिए माइनस करेंगे, माइनस 2 इज इक्वल टू 0. implies that if you see these three terms, it will give you the a plus b whole square, that is x plus 1 by 4 whole square is equal to, if you take these two terms to right hand side, it will give 1 by 16 plus 2, that is 1 plus 32 by 16, that is 33 by 16. Implies that x plus 1 by 4 is equal to plus or minus 33 square root 33 by 16 square root, that is plus or minus square root of 33 by 4. Implies that x is equal to minus 1 by 4 plus root 33 by 4, or x is equal to minus 1 by 4 minus square root of 33 by 4. Imply that x will be minus 1 plus root 33 by 4 or minus 1 minus root 33 by 4. So these are the two roots. Then come to the next question. Bit 3, 4x square plus 4 root 3x plus 3 is equal to 0. चलिए पहले इसका देखते हैं कि इसका रियल रूट है कि नहीं. फॉर दैट लेट्स से a is equal to 4, b is equal to 4 root 3, c is equal to 3. If you find the value of b square minus 4ac, which will give you 4 root 3 square minus 4 into 4 into 3, that is 48 minus 48 is equal to 0. So real and equal roots are there. Real and equal roots. नेचर ऑफ रूट्स के बारे में हम ऑलरेडी पढ़ चुके हैं. Now let's find its solution by completing square method. So here the equation is 4x square plus 4 root 3x plus 3 is equal to 0. If you see the coefficient of x square is already a perfect square number, so no need to multiply or any change. So 4x square will be 2x whole square plus 2 into 2x into root 3 plus root 3 square to make balance minus root 3 square plus 3 is equal to 0. Implies that if you see these three terms will give you a plus b whole square. That is 2x plus root 3 whole square is equal to 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. Implies that 2x plus 3 is equal to 0 or 2x plus 3 is equal to 2x plus root 3 is equal to 0 or 2x plus root 3 is equal to 0. Implies that 2x is equal to minus root 3 or 2x is equal to minus root 3. Implies that x is equal to minus root 3 by 2 or x is equal to minus root 3 by 2. So here are the two solutions. Equal roots minus root 3 by 2 minus root 3 by 2 are the two solutions.
So fourth bit क्या है 2x square plus x plus 4 is equal to 0. Here if you see a is equal to 2, b is equal to 1 and c is 4. If you find the value of b square minus 4ac or the discriminant, it is 1 square minus 4 into 2 into 4, that is 1 minus 32, that is minus 31, which is less than 0. So ये 0 से कम है, मतलब इसका कोई रियल रूट नहीं है, तो हम लिख देते हैं रियल रूट डज नॉट, रियल रूट डू नॉट एग्जिस्ट. तो इसका कोई रियल रूट है ही नहीं. फर्स्ट पीरियड 2x स्क्वायर माइनस 7x प्लस 3 इज इक्वल टू 0. So a 2, b is minus 7, c is 3, and already we have checked it has a real roots. So let's applying quadratic formula. Applying quadratic formula, x is equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac root over by 2a. That will be minus of minus 7 plus or minus minus 7 whole square minus 4 into 2 into 3. That is 2 into 2. We'll get 7 plus or minus 49 minus 24 root over by 4. That is 7 plus or minus 25 root over by 4. That is 7 plus or minus 5 by 4. Implies that x will be 7 plus 5 by 4 or 7 minus 5 by 4. Imply that x is equal to 12 by 4 or x is equal to 2 by 4. Imply that x is equal to 3 or x is equal to 1 by 2. Now come to the next question. Bit 2. That is 2x square plus x minus 4. 2x square plus x minus 4 is equal to 0. Here if you see a is equal to 2, b is equal to 1, c is equal to -4. Applying quadratic formula, x is equal to -b plus or minus b square minus 4ac root over by 2a implies that -1 plus or minus -1 square minus 4 into 2 into -4 square root by 2 into 2, that is -1 plus or minus 1 plus 32 by 4, that is -1 plus or minus 33 square root by 4 implies that x is equal to -1 plus root 33 by 4 or x is equal to -1 minus root 33 by 4. These are the two solutions. One will be -1 plus root 33 by 4, another will be -1 minus root 33 by 4. So these are the two solutions. Third bit, 4x square plus 4 root 3x plus 3 is equal to 0. Already we have checked it has two equal roots and real roots. So here a is equal to 4, b is equal to 4 root 3, c is equal to 3. Applying quadratic formula, x is equal to -b plus or minus b square minus 4ac root over by 2a implies that putting the values minus 4 root 3 plus or minus 4 root 3 square minus 4 into 3 square root by 2 into 4, that is minus 4 root 3 plus or minus 48 minus 48 square root by 8, that is minus 4 root 3 by 8, that is minus 4 root 3 by 8, that is minus root 3 by 2. Implies that x is equal to minus root 3 by 2 or x is equal to minus root 3 by 2. These are the two equal roots. And in the question 1 we have already seen that this equation has in question bit 4 2x square plus x plus 4 is equal to 0. It do not have any real roots. It does not real root. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 बिट 1 में क्या है, x माइनस 1 बाई एक्स इज इक्वल टू 3. इसका रूट्स निकालना है तो पहले इसको सॉल्व करते हैं. एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 1 बाई एक्स इज इक्वल टू 3. Imply that x square minus 1 is equal to 3x. Imply that x square minus 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. ये हमारा क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन है. तो here a is 1, b is equal to minus 3, c is equal to minus 1. क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन का फार्मूला अप्लाई करके हम इसको सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. तो चलिए अप्लाइंग क्वाड्रेटिक फार्मूला. x is equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac root over by 2a. That will be minus of minus 3 plus or minus 3 whole square minus 4 into a into c square root by 2 into 1. That is 3 plus or minus 9 plus 4 root over by 2. That is 3 plus or minus 13 by 2. Imply that x is equal to 3 plus root 13 by 2 or 3 minus root 13 by 2. So these are the two solutions. Come to the next question. कुछ नहीं, यहाँ पे बस हमको एक क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन निकालना है और उसके बाद सीधा फार्मूला अप्लाई कर देना है. इसी तरह इसको भी करेंगे. 1 बाई एक्स माइनस 4 एक्स प्लस 4 माइनस 1 बाई एक्स माइनस 7 इज इक्वल टू 11 बाई 30. चलिए इसको पहले सॉल्व करते हैं. इसका एलसीएम कितना होगा? एक्स प्लस 4 होल इंटू एक्स माइनस 7 और होगा एक्स माइनस 7 माइनस एक्स प्लस 4 इज इक्वल टू 11 बाई 30. इम्प्लाई दैट एक्स माइनस 7 माइनस एक्स माइनस 4 बाई एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 7x plus 4x minus 28 is equal to 11 by 30. Imply that x cancel out minus 11 by x square minus 3x minus 28 is equal to 11 by 30. If you cancel out 11 here, you will get minus 1 by x square minus 3x minus 28 is equal to 1 by 30. By cross multiplication, we will get x square minus 3x minus 28 is equal to minus 30. By transposing, x square minus 3x minus 28 plus 30 is equal to 0. Imply that x square minus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. So this is our required quadratic equation. X square minus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. Here a is 1, b is minus 3, c is 2. By applying quadratic formula, x will be minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac root over by 2a. Imply that minus of minus 3 plus or minus 3 square minus 4 into a into c by 2 into 1. Here it will be 3 plus or minus 9 minus 8 square root by 2. Here will be 3 plus or minus 1 square root by 2. It is 3 plus or minus 1/2 imply that x is equal to 3 plus 1/2 or x is equal to 3 minus 1/2 imply that x is equal to 4/2 or x is equal to 2/2 imply that x is equal to 2 or x is equal to 1. So these are the two solutions. Now question 3 is complete. Now come to the question number 4. The sum of reciprocal of Raymond's age in years 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1/3. क्वेश्चन क्या है? Let Raymond's present age x of 3 years ago his age will be x minus 3. After 5 years his age will be x plus 5. हमको क्या दिया गया है कि ये जो x minus 3 है और x plus 5 है, एज बिफोर 3 years एंड एज आफ्टर 5 years, इन दोनों का रेसिप्रोकल को सम करना है. मतलब इसका रेसिप्रोकल लेंगे और इसका रेसिप्रोकल लेंगे, दोनों को जोड़ देंगे. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन 1/x minus 3 प्लस 1/x plus 5, ये दोनों का जो रेसिप्रोकल लेंगे और जोड़ेंगे तो कितना मिलेगा? 1/3. So 1/x minus 3 whole into x plus 5, that is x plus 5 plus x minus 3 is equal to 1/3. Imply that 2x plus 2 by x square plus 5x minus 3x minus 15 is equal to 1/3. If you take 2 common, here it is 2x plus 2 by x square plus 2x minus 15 is equal to 1/3. By cross multiplication 3 x square plus 2x minus 15 is equal to 3 into 2x plus 2. Imply that x square plus 2x minus 15 is equal to 6x plus 6. X square plus 2x minus 15 is equal to 6x plus 6. So x square plus 2x minus 6x minus 15 minus 6 is equal to 0. Imply that x square minus 4x minus 21 is equal to 0. By factorization, if you see x square minus 7x plus 3x minus 21 is equal to 0. Imply that if you take x common, it will be x minus 7. Put x3 common, x minus 7 is equal to 0. Imply that x minus 7 whole into x plus 3 is equal to 0. Imply that x minus 7 is equal to 0 or x plus 3 is equal to 0. Imply that x is equal to 7 और x is equal to -3. हम x इजिकल टू 7 लगेगा, क्योंकि एज कभी नेगेटिव नहीं हो सकता। तो x इजिकल टू, सो रहमान्स परसेंटेज is 7 years. In a class test, the sum of Shafali's marks in mathematics and English is 30. Had she got 2 marks more in mathematics and 3 marks less in English, the product of their marks would have been 210. Find her marks in 2 subjects. ऐसा क्वेश्चन है कि मैथमेटिक्स और इंग्लिश, मैथमेटिक्स प्लस इंग्लिश दोनों में मार्क मिलकर कितना है 30। ऐसा है अगर मैथमेटिक्स 2 मार्क ज़्यादा रखा होता अगर सफली मैथमेटिक्स में 2 मार्क ज़्यादा रखी होती और इंग्लिश में 3 मार्क कम रखी होती, तो उसका जो प्रोडक्ट होता वो कितना होता 210। यह है, इसको लेकर हमको एक क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन बनाना है। लेट marks secured in mathematics is equal to x. So marks in English -30 क्योंकि दोनों मिल के 30 है। If we add 2 more marks in mathematics, adding 2 marks in maths, the new mark will be x plus 2. Subtracting 3 marks in English, the new mark (30 - x - 3), that will be 27 - x. So according to question, their product, ये जो दोनों न्यू मार्क मिला है इंग्लिश, मैथमेटिक्स और इंग्लिश में, इसको अगर हम प्रोडक्ट करेंगे और मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो कितना हो जाएगा 210। सो अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन x plus 2 27 minus x is equal to 310 or sorry 210. So if you multiply 27x minus x square plus 54 minus 2x is equal to 210, imply that minus x square plus 25x plus 54 minus 210 is equal to 0. Imply that minus x square plus 25x minus is equal to minus 156 is equal to 0. If you multiply -1, you will get x square minus 25x minus plus 156 is equal to 0. On factorizing, x square minus 13x minus 12x plus 156 is equal to 0. Taking x common, here will be x minus 13. Taking minus 12 common, x minus 13 is equal to 0. Implies that x minus 13 or x minus 12 is equal to 0. Implies that x minus 13 is equal to 0 or x minus 12 is equal to 0. Implies that x is equal to 13 or x is equal to 12. So if x is equal to 13, that is marks in mathematics. Then marks in English is equal to 30 minus 13 17. So मैथमेटिक्स का मार्क होगा 13 और इंग्लिश का मार्क होगा 17.